If you've ever saved a post, video, link, or marketplace item on Facebook and then had trouble finding it again, this video is going to help. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find saved items in Facebook step by step. This is useful whether you're trying to revisit something important later, organize things you want to read, or simply clean up your saved collection. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account. You can do this on a laptop or desktop, and the steps are very similar on most browsers. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left side menu on the Facebook homepage. This is where Facebook keeps a lot of your shortcuts and navigation options, including your saved items. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the left menu a little bit because depending on your screen size, some options may be lower down. Look for the option labeled Saved. It usually has a bookmark-style icon next to it, which makes it easier to spot. When you find it, click Saved. This will take you directly to your saved section, where Facebook stores posts, videos, links, pages, and other content you've saved for later. Once the page loads, you'll be able to browse everything you've bookmarked inside Facebook. From there, you can open any item you want, review old content, or remove things you no longer need. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account, because saved items are tied to the account that originally saved them. Also, if you're using a smaller screen or browser window, the left menu may appear slightly different, so you may need to expand the menu or scroll further down to find saved. That's really all there is to it. Open Facebook, log in, find Saved on the left side menu, and click it to view everything you've saved. It's a fast and easy way to get back to posts and content you wanted to revisit later. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step Facebook guides, and I'll see you in the next one.